All right, with the hood open, get your air box right here. You got 1, 2, 3, another 4th one down here. You have a 5th one right there that I already got. Now you can pull the box open. Just grab your old filter, pull that one out. Now while you got it open, you're gonna want to clean up all that dirt that's down in there. Here's a look at the old filter. I'll just take your new one, slide it into the old one's place. It's actually a lot easier if you just disconnect it here from the intake. It just slides on, so you can slide it out of the way. One thing to note on here is that the fit is really precise. That corner is inside the lip. This one right here is inside on this side, outside on this side, and this one is on the outside. Once you have it all fit back together, redo your latches. I took both sides of the intake off, so put those back, and then after that, you're good to go. Save yourself about $80.